My name is Tresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss what steps that you can take to get the best possible tenants in your rentals. We've all heard horror stories about squatters, unauthorized renovations, and so much more. But there are precautions that you can take to minimize the threat of a bad tenant. Looking at people on paper doesn't always give you a clear picture, so be sure that you go beyond a credit check and a background screening when choosing tenants for your rentals. Okay, every time that you hear me talk about rentals, I'm always going to recommend a property management company. But whether you're using a property management company or you decide to manage yourself, just be smart when choosing your tenant. So of course, run that background check, run a credit check, require first and last month's rent up front as a security deposit. Ask for previous rental history and referrals. Ask for proof of job stability. I always require 3 times the monthly rent as a standard for income for tenants, and I require my tenants to provide renter's insurance. Avoid tenants that need co-signers unless it's a student with a parent co-signing for them. And of course, purchase homes in appreciating neighborhoods. Okay, that golden nugget. Either you or your property manager should always change out the air filters yourself. This way, every 90 days, you can walk through the property and take a look to make sure there's no excessive damage to the property. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you want to see in the next one. If you want to learn more about how you can create true financial freedom for you and your family, then join me for my upcoming 7-day real estate investing masterclass. It's linked down below. And as always, I'm Tresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.